Hello everyone, welcome to SNS Mindmatics Academy. Now we are going to learn how to calculate the double-digit numbers with help of fingers in Abacus method. Okay, before we start, let us know the value of fingers in Abacus. So these 4 fingers of right hand has the value of 1 each one. That is 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and this is only the thumb finger has the value of 5. Okay, let us check how to count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to make 5, so we will open this thumb finger because this thumb finger is 5. Okay, 5. And 6, 7, 8, 9. So in one hand we can count till the number 9. So your right hand is units place and your left hand is tens place. Okay, so this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and this is 9. So 99, 99. So we can count till 99 in our hand. Let us do a sum now. Okay, so this is your units hand, this is your tens hand. 1 plus 2 plus 5 minus 6 minus 1 plus 12 plus 21 plus 15 minus 36 plus 10 plus 55 plus 20 minus 21, answer 77. You can check the same sum with your calculator or your regular maths method. Count and check, do you get 77? Thank you.